on this Google Classroom platform or personally also. If you have any doubts, I'll just solve your doubts. Okay. Now I'll explain how to use the Denford, that is Fanuc Denford software on DOS mode, because it is on DOS mode, and how to do the simulation by typing the code. So already I have typed the program in Word file, and I'll save that Word file as .fnc. So you can see I'll just show you. So I have saved that program as .fnc. Yeah, you can see uh, this program with extension, that is file type fnc. So this program has been saved as .fnc, and all these programs, that is 3 programs, I have saved it as fnc. So the same file I'll paste it in the program where paste it in the software, that is where I have installed it. So first I'll explain how to install the software. Okay, so the software is, just see here, FMS. So this I'll be giving in the your Google Classroom. I'll be providing this software in the Google Classroom because it is just 2.5 MB. So just copy this software, copy, and paste it in the uh, Windows C drive. So already I have pasted it here. So you can see FMS, right? So this is the software what I am going to use. If you just double click, you can see so many files that are there in this software. So what I'll do, so already I have created the programs. I'll just open it. So these all FNC files. I'll just copy this. Okay, I'll just copy all these FNC files and I'll paste where I have installed that particular software, that is FMS, and just say Control V. Okay. So what is it is asking? Already it has uh, the 5 files with the same names, because already I had pasted this in the FMS folder. So I will not copy it because already I have this all these files. I'll just close this. Now, now to open this software, you should have one more software that is called as DOSBox. Okay, so you can see this DOSBox, that is DOSBox 0.743 Windows 32 installer. So double click on this. It will ask whether to install. Yes. Then next, install. Just close this. So even I am going to provide this software in the Google Classroom. Okay. So now I have installed both the softwares. Now I'll start the software, that is Fanuc Denford. So before that, how to open the software? Just here, go to DOSBox, double click it. Okay, now you can see it is on Z drive. So I need to change my drive to C. So how to change the drive to C? So there is a keyword mount. Is the drive you are mounting? C colon, and which is the software you are mounting? C colon / FMS. See, this is the name of the software. Just say enter. You can see drive C is mounted as local directory C colon FMS. Now just type C colon, enter. Now I have changed the directory to C colon. Now which is the software that I am going to use, that is Fanuc Lathe. So just type keyword Fanuc L, NUCL and say enter. So now this is the sorter what I have opened. So to maximize this, you just press Alt Enter. So now you cannot use your mouse as it is a DOS based software. So you can see at the bottom there is a F1, then F2, F3, F9 and F10. So these are the functions that they have provided to operate this particular software. So F1 is for help. So if I press F1, that is function F1, you can see CNC instructions. Just click on this. You can see the entire G codes. So just say page down. Press page down for a list of G codes. So you can see, as I was telling, G00 fast traverse, G01 linear, clockwise arc, counterclockwise arc, dwell, all these excuse me, all these G commands are available here. You can just press page down here. Okay, so all these are available. So if you press escape, it will come out of the menu. Similarly, again, if I press F1 and if I want to see M codes, just CNC instructions, enter, go to M codes, then page down. You can see all these M codes that are available here. Just check. So you can see M06 I was talking about this tool change. Okay, press escape. Then what is F2? F2 is for save. That is whatever file you have opened. If I press F2, that is function F2, so it will ask file name for save. So you can give any file name, but I am not going to save this file. F3, that is function F3, it will ask file name to load. So already I have saved this exercise as by some name. So if I just type that file name, it will automatically open. So if I type Lathe1, already I have saved it like this. You can see the first exercise is open. Okay, then what is F9? That is function F9. You can see the check syntax, run program, set tooling, set view, 3D view. So you can just check syntax first, just enter. So program is okay. Similarly, if I go again F9, run program, I'll say do it later. Set tooling. You can see these are the tool numbers that are available. If I want to see say tool number 3, just select that tool and enter. You can see it is a growing tool. It is 2mm growing tool. So all the informations are available here. So you can just even say tool 6, roughing tool. Okay. So function F9 and set view, 3D view. So you can after mastering you can see the 3D view also. Then function F10. Yeah. So you can edit the program, edit and simulate and quit. So these are the menus. Now already I have done this first example which I have explained already. So I'll just simulate this. I'll do one here so that you'll understand what mistakes I'll get. Okay. Always to run the program, you bring the cursor to the first line, that is billet. Then function F9 and run the program. Now it is giving the error by highlighting the line. You can see line is highlighted by a cyan color, missing number. That means N030 line has some error. So what it is saying? Missing number. So what is the error? I have typed by mistaken that is 0. Instead of 0 I have typed O. So I'll just rectify that error. So go to that line, I'll delete that O and I'll type 0. Now again I'll run this function F9 program. You can see now my program is okay. You can see there is a step turning that is happening. So one operation I have missed it here. What is that? Facing. So I'll add that facing operation here. Now just see what is the use of this using sequence number n, 10, 20, because I can edit this program and I can add in between 9 lines. So now if I would have used 1, 2, 3, then editing would have become problematic because I cannot insert more lines if I use 1, 2, 3. So I use 10, 20, so I can insert 11 to 19 lines inside this. So I'll just add it here. And 12, that is 012, sorry, 012 G01, because I have not performed facing operation X0, then N014 I can use. Even if you don't give G01, it will understand it is a G01. So Z0, then some say position, and 016 G00 X33 Z1. Okay. So now again I'll run this program. Just see here, function F9, run this program. This is facing. Okay, so this is the first program. Okay, hope it is clear to you people. Now I'll go to the second program. So function F3. So now the next program is taper. Just type the command taper. This file name taper. It is asking to save the whatever changes you have done. Yes, you just say yes to save. At the bottom you can see if Y is yes to save, N is no to save, escape is quit. So I'll type Y. So it has been saved. Now you can see the second program has been opened, that is taper. So this is the taper turning. So I'll just run this program, function F9, run the program. So this is a gluing tool, first facing operation, then step turning, step turning, step turning, taper turning, you can see. Okay, so this is one more exercise. Then I'll go to the next, that is function F3. Next is, what is the program name I have given? It is thread. Enter. So this is threading. So again I'll use F9, that is function F9, and I'll run the program. Facing, step turning, that is 25 mm dia, the tool change, this is a groove, and radius cutting. Then last operation is taper turning. So now if you want to see the 3D view of this, so function F9, so go to 3D view. You can see this is the 3D view. Though the threads are not visible, but already the threads are there. Okay. So to come back to the original view, again function F9 set the view. So it has come to the same view. Okay. Hope you understood this. So just try this all the three programs on your own, and then if you have any difficulties, you can come to me anytime. So to come out of this software, function F10 quit. Okay, and to come out this DOS, exit. So now I'll go to the meet. Stop presenting. I'll stop recording.